Hi guys, this is Jack from Miner. Welcome to my channel, Jack's Crypto Guild. I have noticed a significant number of customers purchase IceRiver miners, such as KS3L, KS3M for last year, and for this year, KS5L. Unlike Antminer, IceRiver is a relative new brand compared to Bitmain. Since its release, over a year ago, customers have reported issues such as damaged hashboards and control boards after prolonged mining. So, what should you do if your miner breaks down? Mm. Today, our topic is how to repair your broken IceRiver miner. First, let's have a look at IceRiver's repair policy, which is divided into two categories: in warranty repairs and out of warranty repairs. Each miner comes with a 180-day warranty after the date of manufacture. If your miner is still under warranty, repairs are free of charge. If the warranty period has expired, you will need to pay for the repairs. Fair enough. To check your warranty period by entering the serial number, please, you can click the link, and I'll put the link in the comment section in this video. Machines within the warranty period. If your machine is still under warranty, you simply need to create a repair ticket here, and I'll put the link in the comment section too, and then send the entire machine to the repair center in Hong Kong. Each party pays their own shipping costs. You might wonder if they can save on shipping costs by sending only the damaged hashboards if you know that is the only issue. Okay, I consulted IceRiver on this question, and here is the official response. You can look at it. Apparently, you have two choices if you only have hashboard issue. Number one, send the entire machine to enjoy the official warranty service. Number two, send only the hashboard, which will be considered a paint repair. Unfortunately, you will have to pay for the shipping costs both ways, any applicable taxes, and the repair fee for the hashboard. The choice is up to you to make based on your own situation. Then let's have a look the miners out of warranty. If the warranty period has expired, you will need to cover all costs, including shipping costs, part, repair fees, and so on. Please note that the power supply PSU is not covered under the warranty service. For damaged fans and control boards, it is recommended to replace them directly. It means you can just buy a new one. Once the machine is repaired, it will undergo a minimum of 4 hours of testing. If no issues are found, it will be shipped back to you. Paint repairs come with a 15-day DOA, dead on arrival warranty. Please refer to other specific precautions on your own. Special note on mixed boards. In particular, please note the issue of mixed boards. Mixed boards refer to the situation where your miner contains hashboards from other miners. Repairs for mixed boards will incur higher repair costs. Therefore, make sure to purchase brand new IceRiver miners from legal resellers. If you have any questions, please contact MinerSource sales team. We hope this video helps you with the repair of your IceRiver kaspa miner. Ideally, we hope that all miners can operate normally without needing this. After all, downtime and the time consumed during transportation can result in a significant loss in mining revenue. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated with the latest mining information. And if you like this video, welcome to forward it to your friends. Bye for now.